Have you been doing of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you're broke? Guess what? In today's video, I'm going to share with you a scholarship that you can take advantage of in Saudi Arabia. If this is something that you're interested in, it's a fully funded scholarship. Or if it's something that you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Any country can apply. If you're from any country in the world, you can apply. Whether you're from Asia, Africa, USA, North America, you can apply for this amazing opportunity. If this is something you're interested in, don't even touch it down. And if you're new here, introduce yourself in the comments. Oh yeah, introduce yourself. What is your name and where are you watching from? And to all my returning subscribers, thank you. You guys are amazing. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your incredible support. I see you and I truly appreciate you guys. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, you're like, who is this? Who is this hyper queen? Let me introduce myself. Jeje, and Jeje. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Today, we have amazing news for you, how you can travel to Saudi Arabia for free. Without further ado, let's get right into it. How do you apply? What's the program about? What are the eligibility criteria? Let's get right into it. Come with me, guys. Let's go. So guys, have you heard of the King Abdullah University of Science and Technology, KAUST scholarship? About this scholarship, here are some details about this scholarship. The KAUST scholarship is a fully funded graduate fellowship awarded to international students pursuing master's and PhD degrees at the King Abdullah University of Science and Technology, KAUST. It's a world-class research university located on the Red Sea coast in Thuwal, Saudi Arabia. EduSport KAUST is known for its cutting-edge research and robust support for innovation in science, engineering, and technology disciplines. What does it cover? What does this scholarship cover? They cover full funding. Every admitted graduate student automatically receives the course fellowship, which typically includes the following benefits: full tuition fee, no tuition cost for the duration of your degree, generous living expenses, generous living stipends, get paid between $20,000 and $30,000 per year, depending on your program and your degrees. You also get on-campus housing. Yes, so fully furnished accommodation available, medical and health insurance, comprehensive coverage, relocation support. They will pay for your flights. It includes travel assistance and moving support, research resources. You get access to the state-of-the-art labs and university facilities. This means that all your academic and living expenses are taken care of while you study and research at KAUST EduSport. As for the eligible program, they will be supporting your master's degree and PhD programs in a wide range of scientific and engineering fields, included but not limited to biological and environmental science and engineering, computer science, electrical and mathematical science, physical science and engineering. Yes, they will also be supporting you for marine science as well. And if you want to study material science, they will support you. Chemical and biological engineering, they will support you. Applied physics and more. Yes. Who are people that can apply? It's open to international students from all countries. Yes, so for a master's degree, applicants must hold a relevant bachelor's degree, and for a PhD, a master's degree is typically required, or exceptional candidates. You can go directly, yes, with your first degree. You need proof of English proficiency, IELTS, and TOEFL, or TOEFL, unless your previous degree was in English-speaking country. Yes. Strong academic record and research potential are highly recommended. Scholarships for international students. The deadlines for 2026 vary and the intakes are in different rounds. They have the round 1, which is the early entry, and they also have the round 2. Like I said, the deadlines differ slightly by the program and the year. So it's best verified directly on the KAUST admissions page. You can also call the school, and here is how to apply. Unlike some programs, there is no separate scholarship application for KAUST. Admission to an eligible graduate program automatically qualifies you for the fully funded fellowship. EduSport steps to apply. Go ahead and visit their website, KAUST Graduate Admissions Portal. Select your intended master's or PhD program, then prepare your required documents, your transcripts, your resume, your CV, a statement of purpose, recommendation letters, English test, scores, and then submit online before the application deadline. Then wait for admission and automatic fellowship award notification. And here is why this particular scholarship is exceptional. You don't need separate scholarship process. Like the moment you apply for admission, they automatically apply for your scholarship as well. You get high stipend, they pay you, and good medical support. World-class research, the environment is also open to all nationalities. And then you're not forced to return back to your home country when you're done after graduation. Yes. And this makes this house fellowship, KAUST fellowship, one of the most accessible and generous, fully funded graduate scholarships globally. So please don't even miss out on it. In my next video, I'm going to share, I found a lot of scholarships in Vietnam. People are not looking at these countries. People are focused on USA, Canada, UK. I'm telling you, there are lots of opportunities that can go slip through your nose if you don't know where to look. And that's why I'm here. So go ahead and check out, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. In case you have not subscribed, you know that I already have my master's degree. I'm already an American citizen. So it's not for me. I'm constantly doing all these researches for you guys. So please, you want to travel as well. You want to be fully immersed in a different culture, in a different country. You want to enjoy the perks of having an international degree. I am here to help you make it happen, even with zero budget. That's why I'm here, constantly looking for fully funded scholarships for you guys. So don't miss out on all these juicy details I'm sharing with you guys on this channel. And at this point, I'd like to say a big thank you to my amazing Patreon members. Thank you for all that you do. If you would like to join my Patreon membership, go ahead and check out the link in my description and join my Patreon community. And if you would also like, yes, thank you to my channel members as well. If you want to join my channel membership, you can find the join button right next to the subscribe button and go ahead and be part of this inner caucus and let's do business. Yeah, that's it. So guys, I'm also open to business inquiries and collaborations. If you want to have your product displayed right here, just go ahead and send me an email, ceo@chassiseverything.com. Let me take it again. For product placements, business collaborations, and inquiries, send an email to ceo@chassiseverything.com. Also, sign up for my email list. Yes, now we have an email list. With 8,000 subscribers, we should be able to get all 8,000 emails. Yes, nothing is impossible, right? So go ahead and sign up for my email list so that you get latest information delivered directly into your inbox. And quick one, guys, I also have my Telegram community. So if you don't mind, go ahead and click on the join my Telegram community. I'm going to put the link in the chat as well. So besties, I think that's about it. If you are new to this channel and you have not introduced yourself yet, please go ahead and do that. Like this video and share this video with your friends. Introduce yourselves in the comments. And if you have any questions for me, suggestions, recommendations, let me know in the comments. Don't worry, I don't take things the other way. Express yourself. Feel free to express yourself on this channel. See, this is not just my channel, it's your channel, it's our channel, and it's not just one random channel. Or not, I just tune into one YouTube channel. No, this is not just one YouTube channel. It is your channel. It's our channel, and I'm building a community, a real community. So I want to know every single one of you that tune in to watch my videos. That's why I said it's not just one random channel. So I want to know you, and I want to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? So guys, for those of you, this is by the way, for those of you that love movies, if you want quality movies, nice movie recommendations delivered to your inbox, go to filmcurator.io. Yes, use my link to join. It is free of charge, forever free. You will not pay. Just make sure that you use my link to join, filmcurator.io, and you will get movie recommendations delivered directly into your inbox. Till I see you in my next video, take care of yourselves and God bless you. Bye for now.